My office is a mess, but you know what I'm gonna do, or trying to do? I bought myself a new Raspberry Pi, and apparently didn't come with a cable, so we'll get to that in a bit. And I bought a nice case that I am going to spray paint purple. I got an HDMI cable for it. Just throw that over there. And I got some game pads. And then I might spray paint those as well. So what I'm planning on doing is making a little Moosader console, or I guess Moosader console. Yeah. So I'm just going to install normal RasPi or Raspberry Pi OS on it. I'm not installing like emulators and stuff because I don't write games for consoles. I just write games that work in Linux because I don't want to build it for other things. Well, like I have a Windows computer in the bedroom, but that's for games. But I could build stuff if I wanted to. Anyway, I just wanted to make like a little portable Moosader gaming box so I can put my games on it and have people play it, maybe? Or like make a simple 2-player game, get feedback, and then add on to it, even though I haven't felt like programming a game in a long time. But, you know, maybe if I have a cool little Raspberry Pi console, I'll feel more like doing that. But this box of Raspberry Pi did not come with a charger cable, and I read that there's a problem with the Raspberry Pi 4. So I'm going to run to Micro Center to go get a, like, official, hopefully, charger cable for it. And then I'm going to run to Lowe's to go get spray paint so I can paint my stuff. The good thing about masks is I can pretend to make a voiceover, but you can't tell for sure. And I'll just put it in after post, right? This is my chicken purse. Figured, you know, might as well wear a chicken purse. It's a pandemic. It's a post-apocalypse. I can wear whatever I want. None of these are quite the right shade of purple. And before we demask, gotta sanitize the hands. Part of me wonders if this is just gonna be standard for the rest of my life, or if making a video like this will be like, oh, remember the pandemic of 2020 through 2025? So will it be quaint, or in the future will it be like, that was the start of having to mask up all the time? I guess we'll see. I had forgot that I put my camera in time-lapse mode, so here's me talking, but it's in time-lapse, so there was no audio, so I don't remember what I was saying, but I was stopped at a stoplight and telling you about the cool things that I bought, and now we're gonna drive home. Yep, a lot of my videos were in time-lapse mode, and I didn't know. This, we have that board, and we have the buttons here, so that can all just go in my thing, and then we just have the shell. I'm going to cover up these screw holes, because I don't want paint to get in and clog up those screw holes. Well, my tripod lost a leg, so it's going to be a little harder to film this stuff. So I don't want to... well, good. That's great. It's probably not going to work out too good if I try to film and spray paint at the same time, so... Everything reassembled. I've tested it out in my game engine and I've figured out which keys these are. So the little NES pads have 0 and 1, and then these have 0 and 1, 2 and 3. So I might end up writing my game so that 2 and 3 are redundant for 0 and 1, and then this also has shoulder buttons. So I have the number codes. And now I can figure out what I want to label this with. Some people suggested like north, south, west, east. Of course, that wouldn't. I guess we'd have west, east, but that doesn't map one-to-one over here, so I might have to think that through. I was thinking doing binary, but I thought that might be really confusing if I have my kiddo friends play. They'll be like, "What the heck? Why do I have to hit 11? What is the 11 button?" So I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. Now, since I've already put these back together, and I don't really want to take them back apart just to spray a clear coat on them to make sure that the stuff that I wrote here stays. Actually, that probably could wear off, it'd be fine. I don't know. This is not supposed to look professional. It's supposed to look like I made it at home. I'm actually just going to use quick dry top coat for nails, but on here, because before I ever used to spray paint stuff, I used to draw on things with nail polish. I don't know where my calculator is. Oh, it's over here. Ah! Well, a long time ago I painted this TI-83 Plus with some nail polish, just so I could tell my calculator apart from everyone else's. That doesn't look good, but these keys look kind of cool, right? Right? My kitty cats missed me because they weren't allowed in the office while I was working with things that were painted and loose screws. So they missed me.